Hey guys, my name is Nogan and welcome to my C++ series. So in today's video, we are going to be focusing on strings again in C++ by using now the predefined functions that are declared in the header file string. But now, before you continue guys, if you haven't watched the previous video, it's about strings in C++. I'm going to link a card on top there. So it's about introduction to strings in C++. So go and check the video out before you come to this video, because now in this video we are focusing on using now the predefined functions that have been declared in the string header file. So let's go on top here guys. After iostream, let's include another header file, hash include string. Now this string header file will contain predefined function we can use, because we want to use a function called empty, erase, and length. So those functions are predefined in this header file iostream here. So in the main function here, I'm going to declare a few string variables. I'm going to say string name initialized to Ronnie. Say string again. Surname initialized to Williams. String again. Say call message initialized to this is my personal details. String again, let me say subject 1 initialized to computer, sciences, science, yeah. And also the one more time, string again, subject 2 initialized to physics. Awesome. So guys, as you can see now in the main function here, we declared a few strings from name until subject 2. So I'm going to include now again a CL statement so we can try and see the applications of the string predefined functions that have been declared in the header file string when you're using them with variables declared in the main function. So I'm going to say cout again. I'm going to say name. I'm going to call now the function is predefined in the header file iostream by using this dot operator. When you're using dot operator here, this dot means to access now the predefined functions in the header file iostream here, as you can see. That's why when you're including the dot, it's going to give you all the functions you can use. So I'm going to say empty, give it now the parentheses. Awesome. Cout again. I'm going to say surname dot again empty. Awesome. And I'm gonna say cout again, call message dot again, but now for call message you want to use the function of length to see like how many characters are being declared, or how many characters now have been declared in this call message variable here. I'm gonna say cout again, and I'm gonna say subject. So I'm going to see like the length of subject also, and same applies to subject 2. Cout again, length again, awesome. So guys, what's going to happen now with these CL statements here is that the function of an empty predefined function in the header file iostream is that this function here empty will eventually go to name, and eventually name here you'll see now if this variable name is being initialized, and if it's initialized, is the initialization now being declared with characters. As you can see, Ronnie is being declared here. If it's given characters like Ronnie eventually like a name, then this variable name here won't be empty. It will give a 0, which is like false, which means the string now is false, which is it contains characters. But let's say, for example, I'm going to include another string variable here. Let me say human. Let me make it empty like this. When it's empty like this, and I'm going to say here after subject 2, I'm going to say cout again. Let me just say human dot empty. Okay, so what you can see is that now when it comes to human will not be empty. Human will return a 1. So 1 will be displayed here, but when it comes to name and surname, you'll see 0, because this string of name and surname contain characters of Ronnie and Williams. But now when it comes to call message here, we want to see the length, like how many characters have been contained from this word to details dot. So go to local debugger here to run our program. Awesome. As you guys can see now, based on the beautiful output system here, the following is important. As you can see now, which means we have 0 being displayed here, 28, 16, 7 and 0. So what has happened is that now, remember, the following is important. If you look at eventually here, is that we have 2 zeros there, but now we have also another 0 here. Is because in the string function of name of human, eventually that we call using empty, we got also 0. Is because we include a space between these two semicolons here. So this quotation marks here, but you'll see the moment when I'm running the program again, it will give us 1. But now if you see on 28 and 16 is now the characters, and 7 also, the characters being contained in these 3 variables here of now call message, subject 1 and 2 also, because these are now how many characters being contained there from this to details. Also applies to computer science also. So let me close this. And now this human here, don't give it any spacing, run it again. Awesome. As you guys can see now here, human has 1, is because now this string of human is empty. That's why it contains 1, because now it doesn't contain any spacing. So because remember, I had a spacing before, now in here, when you're including the space between a string like declaration initialization is also like considered as a placeholder, which means that's why using computer science here contains 17 characters instead of 16, because if you count them here, this space between this word also is considered as a character by definition. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, and also if you have any comments, any questions, don't forget to comment down below, and I'll get back to you guys with your questions. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification, and see the repost on my channel.